and believe me dear friends, this mathematics is much more easier than other mathematics series whatever I have seen so far. That is the 18 scheme maths to 2021 scheme maths. So this mathematics series is much more easier than other mathematics over there. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again. So dear students, hope you are all doing well. Today in this video we will discuss how to pass mathematics for the CSE stream students who are there and allied branches like AIML, ISE. Okay, so before I start this video, let me tell you something over here. This is the mathematics subject, problematic subject. You cannot predict the problems, okay, but there are some topics which are the most important ones in the mathematics subject which you should cover, and you can easily grab, you can easily conquer mathematics with flying colors. Okay, so let me discuss first the passing module of this particular subject, that is the module second. Okay, so module second, what you have to cover, you have to cover the problems on joint probability distribution, which is the easier topic, very simple topic. Only thing is you need to do some calculations. Okay, this will be the interface of questions. So box will be given, you are supposed to find out the joint probability, sorry, you are supposed to find out the expectation of x, expectation of y, covariance, like that. Okay, and I have also made videos on these particular topics whatever I mentioned over here, and later on I will provide the link in the description box. You can watch them separately over there. Okay, so this is the most important one, and try some problems, practice. So mathematics is the subject which needs practice more and more. Okay, more you practice, more you will have strength in this particular subject. Okay, you can easily solve problems in the examinations if you practice more and more. Okay, so unique fixed probability, there will be the problem on unique fixed probability definitely. Okay, so also it is available in my YouTube channel, you can go through. And also a regular stochastic matrix and higher transition probability. So these are the four topics which you have to cover from the module second. Okay, only these topics if you just cover, you can easily get 20 marks in this particular module. Okay, so 20 marks you can easily grab from this module. So this is the one passing module. So next passing module is this one, module third. It is also a passing module. Why? Just because there are a lot of theoretical concepts like explain the following terms like standard error, statistical hypothesis, and critical region of a statistical test, test of significance, level of significance, two-tailed test. Okay, so these are the theoretical questions. Next is define null hypothesis, type 1 and type 2 errors in a statistical test. Okay, so these are all theoretical questions, theoretical questions were there. Now questions on testing the hypothesis, like suppose a coin is unbiased at 5% level of significance, and sometimes they will give 1% level of significance. All questions I have covered in my videos, so I have provided the link in the description box, you can go through, okay, later on. But you have to watch this video full, just because later on you will blame on me that I have taken the screenshots like that. uh, so that will not be the passing strategy, and I am discussing here it now. So test for large samples also you have to go through. Okay, so these are the topics which you have to cover from module third, as it is the passing module. Okay, so 20 marks also you can get from this particular module, right? Next is module fifth, which is also easier one, but there are some calculations which you should be fast in those calculations, so that you can get 20 marks. If not 20, definitely 10 marks you will easily get from module fifth also. Okay, that is your ANOVA technique, one way ANOVA, analysis of variance, Latin square design, and two-way ANOVA test. You should practice two model question papers whatever are provided to you people. Okay, so go through the model question paper and try to solve these ANOVA problems, and try to solve the varieties of problems rather than the model question paper. If you are solving problems on ANOVA test from the model question paper, then take some different problems also. Okay, so that you will get some clarity on this particular topic over there. So these three are the passing modules. Which modules? Module 2 and module 5th and module 3rd are the passing modules. Okay, now let's cover the module first. It is also a simpler one, but if you are facing some difficulties, so let me know in the comment section which problems you are facing. But I have uploaded also these topics over there. Okay, if you find these easy, this problem is much more easier, you can easily tackle this one. So random variable x has the following probability function for various values of x. So box will be given and probabilities will be given. Okay, so you are supposed to find out the value of k in this particular problem. Okay, this is much more easier, you can go through. And also you have to solve the problems on exponential distribution, very simple one. There are some particular formulas which you should go through, and also normal distribution problems and Poisson's distribution. So you cannot predict the problems, which problem will come. Either it may be from the exponential distribution, normal distribution. These are the four topics which you have to cover. Okay, so then only it becomes the much more comfortable for you to tackle the model first also. Okay, and there are some super important questions like derivations. Find the mean and variance of binomial distribution, find the mean and variance of Poisson's distribution. These are super important questions which you should cover over there. Okay, so this is all about the model first. These are the topics which you have to cover in the model first. Now if I go to the model fourth, so there you have to cover the test of significance for means of two samples. Okay, and t distribution problems, and chi-square distribution problems, and f distribution, and central limit. Suppose they will give you the state central limit theorem and also the problems on this particular topic, that is central limit theorem. I have not written here the problems just because you cannot predict the most important questions, but topics I have taken so that you will cover it. Okay, if you want to pass only, you can go through those passing modules which I mentioned. If you want to score, then you have to cover all these modules and all the topics whichever I have written over here. Okay, this becomes your passing package and scoring also. If somebody wants to score, so they can easily tackle these type of topics. They have to cover these topics so that it becomes easy for them to pass this subject. Okay, so make sure friends you will practice a lot for the subject, as mathematics is the only subject which becomes typical at the examination time. You think that this is the easy subject, but at the time of examinations your head will be beheaded. So your head will be totally rusted at that time. What should we do for these type of problems? And it becomes very difficult as there are lengthier problems are also there. Okay, so make sure you will share this video to all your friends who actually need it and who want to pass this subject, who are struggling with the mathematics subject. And believe me dear friends, this mathematics is much more easier than other mathematics series whatever I have seen so far. That is the 18 scheme maths to 2021 scheme maths. So this mathematics series is much more easier than other mathematics over there. So all the best for your examinations. Thank you for watching the video.